हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू सपना होमस्कूलिंग चॅनल. नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मैत्रिणींनो, स्वागत आहे तुम्हा सर्वांचं सपना होमस्कूलिंग या चॅनलमध्ये. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण 10th स्टँडर्ड सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी 1चा 8वा लेसन मेटलर्जीची एक्सरसाइज बघत आहोत. चला आपल्या व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूया. फर्स्ट आहे राईट नेम्स. ए, ॲलो ऑफ सोडियम विथ मर्क्युरी. आन्सर सिल्वर अमालगम. B, molecular formula of common ore of aluminium. Answer Al2O3.NH2O. C, the oxide that forms salt and water by reacting with both acids and base. Answer aluminium oxide. D, device used for grinding an ore. Answer, the device used for grinding an ore is grinding mill. E, the non-metal having electrical conductivity. Answer, graphite having electric conductivity. F, the reagent that dissolves noble metals. Answer, aqua regia is the reagent that dissolves noble metals like gold and platinum. Question 2, makes pair of substances and their properties. हा क्वेश्चन आहे. आन्सर, सबस्टन्स आहे पोटॅशियम ब्रोमाइड. प्रॉपर्टी सोल्युबल इन वॉटर. सबस्टन्स आहे गोल्ड. प्रॉपर्टी हाय डक्टिलिटी. सबस्टन्स आहे सल्फर. प्रॉपर्टी आहे कंबस्टिबल. आणि सबस्टन्स आहे निऑन आणि प्रॉपर्टी नो केमिकल रिॲक्शन. क्वेश्चन 3, आयडेंटिफाय द पेयर्स ऑफ मेटल अँड देअर ओर्स फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. हा क्वेश्चन आहे. आन्सर, कॉलम 1 ओर्स अँड कॉलम 2 इज आन्सर्स. बॉक्साइट, ॲल्युमिनियम, सॅसिस्टेराइट, टिन आणि सिनेबार, मर्क्युरी. Question 4, explain the terms. Metallurgy. Answer, metallurgy, the process used for extraction of metals in their pure forms from their ores. Then metals are further purified by different methods of purification. All the process is called metallurgy. Ores. Answer, ores, the minerals from which metals are extracted profitable and conveniently are called ores. Example, bauxite and cinnabar. C, minerals. Answer, minerals are naturally occurring compounds of metal along with other impurities are known as minerals. Example, rock as composed of mixtures of minerals, talc and granite as minerals. Gangue. Answer, gangue. Ores contain metal compounds with some of their impurities like soil and sandy, rocky material, etc. These impurities are called gangue. Question 5, write scientific reason. First, lemon and tamarind is used for cleaning copper vessel turned greenish. Answer, copper undergoes oxidation in air to form black copper oxide. Copper oxide reacts slowly with carbon dioxide in air and gains a green coat. This green substance is copper carbonate. Lemon and tamarind contain acid. The acid dissolves the green coating of basic copper carbonate present on the surface of a tarnished copper utensil and makes it shiny again. B, generally the ionic compound have high metal link points. Answer, the ionic compounds exist in solid states and are due to strong electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. The intermolecular force of attraction is high in ionic compounds and large energy is required to overcome it. Therefore, ionic compounds have high melting points. C, sodium is always kept in kerosene. Answer, sodium reacts so vigorously with atmospheric oxygen that it catches fire if it kept in open. It does not react with kerosene and sinks in it. Hence, to protect sodium and to prevent accidental fires, it is always kept in kerosene. D, pine oil is used in the fourth flotation process. Answer, in the concentration of an ore by fourth flotation process, the ore is mixed with water and pine oil. When air is bubbled through the mixture, a froth is formed. The mineral particles in the ore are preferentially weighted by the oil and float on top in the froth. The gangue particles are weighted by water and settle down. Thus, the mineral can be separated from the gangue and the ore is concentrated. E. Anodes needs to be replaced from time to time during the electrolysis of alumina. Answer. During electrolysis of alumina, the oxygen liberated at the carbon anodes reacts with graphite rods, means carbon anode, and forms carbon dioxide. As the anodes get oxidized during electrolysis of alumina, they are continuously eroded. Hence, it is necessary to replace anodes from time to time. Question 6. When a copper coin is dipped in silver nitrate solution, a glitter appears on the coin after some time. Why does this happen? Write the chemical equation. Answer. When a copper coin is dipped in a silver nitrate solution, more reactive copper displaces silver from silver nitrate solution. The silver is so liberated deposit on the copper's coin. As a result, a shiny coat of silver is formed on the coin. Copper plus 2 AgNO3 बरोबर CuNO3 2 aqueous plus 2 Ag. Question 7. The electronic configuration of metal A is 281 and that of metal B is 282. Which of the two metals is more reactive? Identify these metals. Write their reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid. Answer. If the number of electrons in the outermost orbit is less, then the metal is more reactive. Metal A contains 1 electron in the outermost shell, while metal B contains 2 electrons. Hence, metal A is more reactive than metal B. Metal A is sodium and metal B is magnesium. Reacting of Na, sodium and magnesium with del HCl are 2 Na means sodium plus 2 HCl is equal to 2 sodium chloride plus 2 hydrogen. So, magnesium plus 2 HCl means magnesium chloride and hydrogen. Question 8. Draw a neat label diagram. A. Magnetic separation method. ही आहे त्याची diagram. B. Froth flotation. ही त्याची diagram आहे. C. Electrolyte reduction of alumina आणि hydrochloric separation method. Question 9. Write chemical equation for the following events. A. Aluminium came in contact with air. Answer. When aluminium is exposed to air, it develops a thin oxide layer of aluminium. So, इथे 4 aluminiumचे रेणू प्लस ऑक्सिजन त्याला हीट दिली की aluminium oxide भेटतं. Iron fillings are dropped in aqueous solution of copper sulfate. Answer. When iron fillings are dropped in copper sulfate solution, more reactive ion displaced copper from copper sulfate solution. The iron fillings get coated with reddish brown copper metal and the blue color of copper sulfate fades gradually and ferrous sulfate is formed. So, अशा प्रकारे बघा ferrous plus CuSO4 हा ब्लू कलरचा आहे. सो त्याच्यानंतर तो कसा होता कलरलेस आणि प्लस कॉपर तयार होतो. A reaction was brought about between ferric oxide and aluminum. Answer. The reaction between ferric oxide and iron produces aluminum oxide and iron. It is a thermite reaction and is highly exothermic. It produces a large amount of heat which is released to melt oxygen and aluminium. This reaction is used in welding of machineries. It is also used in warfare to make grenades. The chemical reaction for the above is as follows. 3FeO2 plus 4Al is 2Al2O3 plus 6 ferrous. D. Electrolysis of alumina is done. Answer. During electrolysis of alumina, aluminium is deposited at the cathode. Molten aluminium, being heavier than the electrolyte, is collected at the bottom of the tank. Oxygen gas is liberated at the anode. Anode reaction 2O minus is equal to 2O2 plus 4E means oxidation. Cathode reaction Al3 plus 3E electron minus is equal to Al reduction. E. Zinc oxide is dissolved in dilute hydrochloric acid. Answer. Zinc oxide is dissolved in dilute hydrochloric acid. Zinc chloride and water are formed. Zinc chloride असेल प्लस आपण HCl चे 2 ऋण टाकले त्याच्यानंतर त्याचं झिंक क्लोराइड आणि झिंक क्लोराइड तयार होतं आणि पाणी बाहेर पडतं. Question 10. Complete the following statement using every given option during the extraction of aluminium. A. Ingredients are Gangue are bauxite. Answer. Bauxite is the main ore of aluminium, silica. Ferric oxide and titanium oxide are the impurities present in bauxite. Ingredient in bauxite are molten cryolite, fluorspar. B. Use of leaching during the concentration of ore. B. The separation of impurities, silica, ferric oxide and titanium oxide in bauxite ore is done by leaching process using either Bayer's method or Hall's method. C. Chemical reaction of transformation of bauxite into alumina by Hall's process. Answer. In the Hall's process, the bauxite is powered from and then leached by heating with aqueous sodium carbonate in the digester to form water soluble solution sodium aluminate. Then the insoluble impurities are filtered out. The filtration is warmed and neutralized by passing carbon dioxide gas through it. This results in the precipitation of aluminium hydroxide. D. Heating the aluminium ore with concentrated caustic soda. Answer. When aluminium ore is heated with caustic soda solution under high pressure for 2 to 8 hours at 40,000 to 15,000 Celsius, water soluble sodium aluminate is formed. Question 11. Divide the metals copper, Zn, Ca, magnesium, ferrous, sodium, lithium into 3 groups, namely reactive method, moderately reactive metals and less reactive metals. Answer. Reactive metals sodium, lithium and calcium. Moderately reactive metals zinc, ferrous, magnesium, and less reactive metals are copper. Thank you so much for watching the video. जर हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा. तुम्हाला कुठे काय आवडत असेल तर कमेंट करून नक्की कळवा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.